Yo, what's up? Today we're adding a new mod to the S2000. But first, we have to remove this one. Fuck! I already removed this bitch. This shit was so hard. As you can tell, just by looking at it, something's gonna go on. You guys are gonna see the install right now. We're just gonna remove all this nasty 3M tape. You guys are gonna see the install right now. Alright, as you can tell, it's already nighttime. But here, we already marked up the brackets where we're gonna drill the holes right now for the Voltex Wing Type 2. Alright, let's get this shit on. Alright guys, so we already drilled it, made all 4 holes on it, and right now we're about to do the test fit and see how it comes out. Sheesh, it's gonna look sick. Last time you guys are gonna see it like this, with no wing or with the duck build. The door panel's on it, right? So the first bolt you have to take off is the one that goes in here. It's like a little bolt right there with the little cover on it. This one right here, you take off the little cover, and this one right here. All right, you take out those bolts, you take out that little cover, plastic cover that goes there, and then here you are. You take out the other clips. There's also one clip right here, which is this circular one. This circular one right here that goes right there on it. You take that off as well, and then you just take off the rest of the clips on the door panel. After that, you pull it up. You disconnect these plugs. This is the passenger side. The driver side has an extra one right there, that big one. And then after that, you're gonna have to go and take out the 3 bolts you see right there. So it's 1, 2 on the left, those 2 big ones, and the one on the right. The right one is so hard to get. So I recommend taking this off. I tried using a little mechanism that like moves the swivel, but it's still impossible to get, so you have to take that off. Once you take those off, the nuts fall down here, you catch them with your hand. It's the install time. You guys are gonna see it right now. Let's see how it looks. What's up guys? It's been a while since I showed y'all the S2000 because recently I've gotten stay rep. Well, that was before the mods, right? So I wasn't really driving it, I was just modding it and just kept chilling in the house. I never drove it because I didn't want to risk it of getting impounded later on. But now, I'm going to show you guys the end results on both. The APR mirrors and the freaking wing, the Voltex Type 2 wing. Alright, let's check it out right now. Alright, so here we have the car looking all fresh and clean. Look at the APR mirrors, bro. So hard. I'm in love with them, bro. Look at that blue tint. Wow. Amazing quality, honestly. Amazing quality. And then let's check out the Voltex Type 2 wing. Look at that. Damn, big wing gang now. Dude, you guys have no idea how many necks you break with just installing a wing as well, bro. Look at that Voltex. Shit looks so hard. I'm in love with it, dude. This is a beast as mod. The S2K. The wing suits the S2K. It's just crazy, dude. I don't even like big wings on cars, but like it just suits the S2K. Look at that. It looks like a race car, bro. Still gonna modify more. Just wait on that. Something real dope. Gotta give this puppy some new shoes. Oh, damn. Yeah, let's see what happens later on. But amazing quality on it, honestly. Amazing. All carboned out, carbon stands, even the carbon base. Damn, bruh. That's right. That's right. Alright then, well, I'll see you guys another time. Let's see when I do another YouTube video. But this was a blast, honestly. installing these mods were honestly sick. I also installed the Renegade short shifter, and that was pretty amazing. Driving it, oh my god, it changes the car completely. I recommend that mod, honestly. A lot of S2000 people recommend that mod, but that mod is pretty sick on it. I recommend anyone who has the S2000 get the Renegade short shifter. It might take a while from ordering from them because you have to pre-order and wait about like 3 months and all, but worth it, bro, worth it. I recommend it. All right, then I'll see you guys another time. Late.